So in today's video, I will show you how you can add multiple language feature to your WordPress website, which is also called multilingual feature. So if you're interested, keep watching the video from the beginning to the end and don't forget to give this video a like so that YouTube algorithm find this video helpful. Without further ado, let me dive deep to my computer screen and see how it works. All right, here you see my computer screen. So let me just show you the design first. So this is basically the design. This is not a good looking design, but basically we will focus the functionality here, basically the multiple language feature. So design is not important, but you have a beautiful design, of course. So here, so we have some text in the menu. We have some text at the home part, the first part, and we have footer. I mean, they all are English. So we will add a second language. It can be anything, like if you're from Spain, Spanish, Mandarin, Chinese, or Hindi, or any language you want, basically can do it. So basically, right now it's English. Primarily, we will keep English, but we will add another one, and it can be any language you want. I will show any specific one, but you can do any other language. I will show you how to do it. So to do that, at first, come to the WordPress dashboard. From the plugins, click Add New Plugin. And from here, if you search Translatepress, if you search it, you will be able to see a plugin. Okay, so Translatepress, Translatepress. Yes, correct. So this one, so you just need to click on Install. So it's going to be installed. And once it is installed, you just need to click on Activate. Okay, so here, recently I added one. So let me show you from the very beginning. So here, so you'll not see this primarily. So once you install the plugin, so in some cases, you will not be able to see this option at first. So you need to go to the plugins and you'll be able to see Translatepress. So now from there, you need to click on settings. After even clicking to the settings, if you do not even see this option, you will be able to see some steps. Either you can go through or you can skip. This is the easiest way. You just skip. That's it. So once you do it, you'll be able to see this option here. So primarily, we'll have English language as the primary one. And we will want to add a second language. So it can be anything based on your choice. So that's here. If I just click on it, as you can see, it has a lot of options. You can pick any of them. As I'm saying, it's Arabic, and it has many languages, even if I don't know some of them. So here, if I just keep scrolling down, it has German, it has Spanish. So let's go with Spanish, I guess. Let's select Spanish Mexico. So click add. But before that, you see a lot of options. So you can pick any of them, as I'm saying, based on your choice, based on your need. I'm selecting Spanish just to show you. So once I select Spanish, click add new, and it's perfect. Now there is nothing to do. Just click save changes. Once you do it, and if I come to the site now, you see the translate page. That option is now added, but it was not there previously. Now you see this option, which means we can now translate this page to the language that you have selected, which is Spanish. So at the left side, you can even select either it is Spanish or English. Right now, if I select a Spanish, it has nothing. You see, it is doing nothing. It is not changing. So once I click Spanish, it should be Spanish. So in order to do that, I need to translate that page. We already have a translate option here. So we will need to translate. So any page that you want to edit, the first step is you need to visit that page. Right, so I'm doing the front page, so this is why I visited this page. If you have any other pages, like here I have all articles, diets, bulking, nutrition. If you have other pages with different names, you just need to visit that page first. This is the first step. So I want to edit this page, so this is why I'm in this page. So this is the page. So after coming to that page, click translate page. Once you click on it, now you'll be able to see the translate option. So let's say I have get offer, so I click on it. Right now, you see the get offer is already there, and then I can make it to Spanish. Let me show you this one, which is gonna be easy to show you for the tutorial purpose. So right now, which is this one is English, I can translate it to Spanish. So if you write GGG and save change in the Spanish version, this is gonna show something like that, because but this is not meaningful. So in that case, I need to put the exact meaning of this. So I'm going to take help from Google Translator because I do not know Spanish. So in that case, I'll take help from Google, but you can do your own. So basically here, if I just go to Google Translate, hit enter, and let's select Spanish, and I want from Spanish to English. Sorry, from English to Spanish. So here, this is the text. So once I put English, it is giving me the Spanish. I'm copying this and then just paste it simply. Perfect. Now click save. So in Spanish, it's gonna be like this. Let's do it for the next one. So I am just going to copy this, paste it to the English, and it is giving you the Spanish one. Just copy this and paste it to the Spanish. Click save change. It will show you something like this in the Spanish version. If you see any error, grammatical error, any error, you can fix it by typing the correct one. So I'm just saving this. And even for the menus, if you want to do it, all articles, let's say instead of all articles, I'm just doing this. So to Spanish, it's gonna be this. For this one, diets, let's do this. So instead of the diets, now in Spanish, it's gonna be something like this. And for this one, bulking, let's have something else, which might be this one. Let's do it and save it. Basically, anything that you change, you need to translate and then save. So I'm going to translate. I'm pasting the translated one. Sorry, that tab is closed. Yeah, so for this one, I click this and click save. That's it. And for the blog tutorial here, so let's just copy this and paste it. This is the translated text. Click save change. Let's do only the footer. So this is the text. This is my name. So let's not change it. So basically this is gonna be changed. Okay. So here I'm gonna type something like this. Okay. So if I click on save change now, and now if I visit the site, right now it's English here. But if I select Spanish, as you can see, it is changing. All the text and everything is being changed, right? So from here, everything has changed basically. So this is how actually you can do it. But there is something else to show you basically. So let's say you do not want this right here, or maybe you want this here too. So in that case, you just need to edit the header, or if you want to put it somewhere in the page, let's say here, you can do it. Maybe in the footer here, you can do it. So anywhere you want to put this option basically, so you just need to edit this page. So I'm using Elementor page builder, so I have to use Elementor page builder to edit that. But let's say you're using any other page builders like Oxygen Builder, WP Bakery, Visual Composer, or any other page builder. In that case, you just need to do the same thing. And once you try to edit that, you need to put the shortcode. So if you keep scrolling down here, you see this is the shortcode basically. I'm just copying this, and then let's close this. So here, let's say I want to put it right here maybe. So I click Elementor edit for the main header. So once I just click on it, it is opening the editing panel. Okay, so search here short code and drag it right here. I'm just putting it right here for the time being, but you can place anywhere you want. So once I do it, and let's publish. Now if I come to the site and reload, as you can see right now it's Spanish. So if I click English, you see it's English. Again, if I select Spanish, it's Spanish. So basically this is how you can place anywhere you want. So you just need to paste this short code. but I do not want it. So let's just close and publish it. I think this one is okay at the bottom. And for the plugin configuration, I can show you something else for betterment if you want to optimize more. So these are the languages that you can use here. And if you want to use native language name, you can check it. And if you want to force language to use custom links, if you're not too much technical, there is nothing to know about this. But for the short code, it means how you basically want to do it. So right now, so once I put the short code here, let me do it one more time. So if I do the short code right here, and then if I paste it, publish, and let me show you what that means basically. So right now it is showing the flag and the name. So this is why it says the flag with names. But if you only want the full language names, if you just save it, it's gonna be changed. You see only the name. And if you select some others like only the short language name, like for example, for the English, it's ENG, something like this. So if you want to do it, you can do it. And the language with flag and short language with flag, so which means this. And if you want only flag, you can select only flag and save it and come to the site. You said these are the only flags, but that does not look good, I think, either. If you want my suggestion, I think you can use flag with short name or maybe full name, any of these two. So let's try short name. I think this is gonna be fine. Yep, it is good. Or even if you want to select the full name, that's also okay. I can just save change and reload. This is good. And for the next options here and the main items, so for the main items, if you want to do the same thing that I explained, basically this is gonna be like that. And for the floating item selection, so if you want it dark and the bottom right, which means this position, right, it is showing at the bottom and in the right side. So basically this is the position of this one. If you want to change it to the, let's say, bottom left and save change, reload, it is in the bottom left. If you want to do it at the top right, let's delete this one, publish, and it's gonna be finished. Yes. Now for this one, if you want it at the top right, so let's do top right and save. Yeah, it is showing right here. You can adjust it. And finally, if you want to give them the credit that you're using their plugin, you can do it. Show powered by Translatepress. If you save it, reload it. So it's gonna be showing somewhere in this panel. So here you see this. But if you do not want to do it, just uncheck this and that's gonna be completely fine. Right? And for the automatic translation, we did manual translation, which can give you an error-free text. But if you want to do automatic translation, you can do that as well. So in that case, you just do not need to copy the text from Google and paste. You don't have to go for that hassle. But in the meantime, having said that, this is a text that you will get error-free based text. But if you use automatic translate, sometimes you'll be able to see a little bit errors. You can give it a try, but this is for the experiment basically. And for the add-ons, they have some paid add-ons if you want in case. And for the advanced, you can just go through it. But for the basic configurations, I think just the options under general, that's way enough to do each and everything that you want. So I think that's it. You got the entire idea on how to create a multilingual feature to your WordPress website. So what do you think about this amazing feature of WordPress? Share your thoughts in the comment below. I would love to see your feedback. If you have any specific questions or need further guidance, I'm available for personalized Zoom consultation. You can ask me anything about your WordPress website or website development. Also, if you want me to work with on your website, I can do that. I'll attach all the link in the comment below. Feel free to check it out. That's it for today. I'll see you in the next one.